Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, you are going to be listening to relaxing noises today. So let's get started with the relaxing noises right after I close the door. Okay, let's start. First, before we start, take a deep breath in and out. Okay, great. That's out to all of you people. You take a deep breath. Magnets broke. Kidding me? Here's part of it. I'll get the iron. It's right there. And it comes back with I can't believe that. How'd that happen? Just put that over there. Actually, I'm try to line it up. Piecing it together. I don't know if that's possible. But it's not gonna work. But it's gonna put those magnets all over there. I'm talking quiet. It's because it's supposed to be a quiet video. Can't take off my sweatshirt. It's not cold anymore. about 6 minutes until you're done. Actually, maybe I might do, yeah, I'll do 7 minutes. Oops, wrong one. About 1 more minute. Oh, the broken one just got back. Ugh. Still want to see it. Break. It's a relief. Science doesn't want me right now. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna keep it till it's 8 minutes. About 8 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Got it. Okay, I'm gonna do it only one more time. Boom. Done. Okay. Bye, guys.